Right, we have a problem. Hydraulic handbrake is in the way of reverse. 3, 2, 1.
I'm ready.
Hello and welcome back. On this episode of Luke's Man Cave, we struggled to find what episode to put this stuff in. So it's just a cracker. We're going to put some stuff together to make it more of a drift car. As you may have noticed, I had a buxom German barmaid, because German car, drawn on the car. And it was by a chap named Alan, ACS, whatever that stands for, no idea. But he did an outstanding job. And to thank him, here's the shout out. ACS, I'll tag him in my bio. Outstanding work. Oh, he did that by hand. By hand. Indicators. Do the indicators. BMW indicators. It's missing half of its clips. Why is that? Because that's a bolt in. And this is a clip in. Oh, that might be fun. You know that thing that I threw in the bin? I might need that. Right, there we go. We'll just pretend like that didn't happen, yeah? Oh, we should check that works. Hey, something actually works. That's nice. Oh, this one is a screw in. Oh no, it accidentally broke. Oh. I mean, it is a BMW. It doesn't really need indicators, does it? Right, so we have been asked to hide all of the batteries. They actually want it in a plastic box, but that's not going to happen. So, I mean, that's kind of like a plastic box. You get the process. When the marshals ask, where's the battery? I could just say, oh, I don't think he's got one, mate. Got a space saver in there. Oh, and some water. I have a thing for that, you know.
Yeah.
Toughies, still my favourite glove. Nobody's bought me anything better yet. Right, so we are replacing gear stick here, obviously the top of it. So we're going to pull it out. There's 2 pins this end, 1 pin this end. See if I can't lever it out. Doesn't have to go back in. Out you come. I'll go and get Dave, 2 seconds. Say hello to Dave. Why did I mess around with not Dave? Gear stick. No gear stick. They are M8s by the look of it, so we want to drill with that size hole. Not too big, not too small. This is why I don't want to do too many in and outs of the cars. First job. If you look down there at my deliberate fuck up, so that won't fit because the handbrake. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line there, and then we're going to cut that out a little bit, and then that will give us the extra room for bolting that in the correct place. Grinder. This is my chief painter.
Are we going to mount this together?
We are.
Oh, splendid.
That should sit kind of central now. Right, are you holding that? Hold that down. Last one. Right, that one there. So your front left. Nail it up. What's the slight issue?
Your hydro's in the way of reverse.
Fuck, is it really? Right, we have a problem, ladies and gentlemen. The hydraulic handbrake is in the way of reverse. We're going to see if we can't engineer our way out of this, possibly with a hammer. Yeah, hold it that way. Oh, okay, yeah, I see the problem. Right, put it into neutral. Right, we also have a problem as well. Not really a problem, but not many people are aware that the connecting rod, gear connecting rod, has a way round. It's a 50-50 choice. And I've put it the wrong way round. See how it's got the dog leg there? But it's got a tiny little kink in it. That kink clears the prop shaft. Yeah, as in now the gear connecting rod is not hitting on the prop shaft. That is good, we've fixed a thing. So the problem we have is that reverse on BMWs is all the way to the left and then forward, but obviously there's so all we have to do for reverse There we go. That's how we get in reverse. A job I do need to do is attach the front bumper because it's a little bit floppy. It pains me to do it, but because drift car and because I might need to take the front bumper off a bit pronto, I'm going to put a cable tie on there. To do that, I'm literally just going to drill 2 holes. Somewhere here. This is like a little underneath your strut brace type bash plate. You can see it's needed to stop me taking the bottom of the sump off. Start it up, see what it sounds like. Three, two, one. Jump back, jump back. That's better. That sounds better, doesn't it?
I was created to be a legend, co-signing myself when I need credit. I'm trying to go, I don't need directions. Swallow your pride if you need a beverage. I told my team I'm the secret weapon. I got them juiced like they eating breakfast. It's going down to the opposition. They're not looking good, but stay optimistic. You ready? You ready? You ready? It's going down. It's going down.
That was way quicker than I thought.
It's going down. Pressure to get in the song, but me, I'm number 1.
Thanks for watching this episode of Luke's Man Cave. We now have a complete drift car ready for testing.